be and there is the big jungle.
So how are you?
I'm good. I'm very fine.
All right, good
I
morning.
have a nice guest,
So what's your name?
Larissa.
Larissa, and where are you from?
I'm from Russia.
Russia, all right.
Originally.
And how long have you been living in Fiji?
What you have enough to eat?
So here's the horse. You think he's lost?
Yeah, she's 3 days here.
3 days?
Yeah.
Hey, horsey. So
Sleep and eat.
the Fijians forgot this horse? How are you?
Okay, I have respect for him.
Hey. I was wondering, how did you discover couch surfing?
I discovered this from one TV show in Russia. They make their couch surfing trip.
Oh, really?
Yeah, from Russian TV show.
And then when did you sign up?
I'm just for 1 year.
Just 1 year
Yeah, I
ago?
make account there and
Okay. So far you've hosted 3 people?
yeah, this comes and first guest comes after 1 year. So I forgot, I have account there and then one time they make me message.
So who was the first guest?
The couple from Switzerland.
The Swiss couple?
Yeah, from Zurich.
And then the second?
And the second from France.
The France guy, and then me.
Third in Jason.
All 3 couch surfing guests were here.
Yeah,
But when you signed up, you were also here, right?
yeah.
Yeah, okay. So you learned about it many years ago.
Yeah, I learned maybe 6 years ago.
But
And I try.
yeah. So there's the coconut farm.
You like Savusavu?
Yeah, I like it so far.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
First time to here?
Yeah, first time to Savusavu. So this is low tide, huh?
Yeah. You see here there's some hot springs. There's firewood or nothing.
So there's some hot springs underneath this beach.
It's beach and then one is there. I'll show you. It's not far away. I think this is from town.
Oh, okay.
Kind of town.
Here's a local
Primary
school.
From 1 to 8.
Oh, so grades 1 to 8?
Yeah.
Alright. Where does Nikki go to school?
This school?
Oh, really?
Yeah. But
What-
now he goes in secondary school. Is a little bit far away with bus, so 15 minutes drive.
Oh, he takes a bus?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So this school is called what?
That's the Indian Kamendra Central School.
Oh, that's it. So it says, welcome to Savusavu Natural Hot Springs. Caution hot water. No killing or cleaning of animals, no littering use, bins provided. Play your part in keeping hot spring clean. So the water is so hot.
And take some towel over.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that's pretty nice.
Very, very good.
Well, that's amazing.
Some towels there from
So have you ever cooked any food here?
me.
Yeah.
One time we cook maize here, corn.
Corn?
Yeah. Sweet
Oh,
corn.
maize. Ah,
And,
okay.
sorry, I speak German. Sometimes.
Alright, and then over there's one too.
Then here you can see it and there. And it's,
Okay. So here's 2 holes. Hey, can we Can we come back here and cook some food later?
Yeah,
Maybe tomorrow?
maybe tomorrow. Yeah.
Okay. That'd be interesting. What is here?
Fitness center, gym.
Yeah, and then how many machines?
3 machines there and 2 is not working.
And today it's closed.
Yeah, today's I think they make a new paint there or something.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, they're renovating it.
Yeah. We always eat here in this.
Oh, really?
There, in this.
So Captain's Cafe. Where's the copra shed?
This is all named Copra Shed Marina. Yes.
Oh, so the only place to eat is the Captain's Cafe.
Captain's Cafe, or Captain's Table, or
Captain's
beer
Table.
garden you can see there.
Okay.
Here also Western Union,
Oh, really?
Airways. Here.
Overcharging the batteries. Am I?
It's on. Okay, so when the cruise ship stops here in Savusavu, where do the tourists first go?
First goes in pharmacy and buy there some medicine.
Really?
Yes.
So, and then after they go to the pharmacy, where do they go?
Go drink a Fiji bitter, Fiji gold,
Ah,
local beer.
So they go get some beer,
Yeah.
and then they walk along the
Yeah.
streets.
Yeah, walk, buy some souvenirs from locals
Ah, really?
and then go drink.
Ah, really? So it's really, really full, this
Yeah,
village.
full. Yeah.
How many people you think come off of the cruise ship?
I think 3,000 can
3,000?
come. Yeah. And
So
this,
that-
somebody goes with a taxi, make a round trip on island.
Oh yeah, so
so
taxi.
no taxis in town. Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing.
It's
So
amazing.
the pharmacy is so full. Is there even a line going out the door?
Yes, sure, they stay in front and waiting when it's another
really?
finish.
Is it mainly old people that are come from the
No,
cruise ship?
young, everybody.
Everybody.
Yeah, everybody.
Oh, okay. When's the next cruise ship gonna come?
We must look in the calendar.
Schedule?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the pharmacy where they come?
This is pharmacy for.
So it's
cruise ship.
so busy on cruise ship
They're
days.
so busy, really.
Oh. How much is a haircut for my style?
The Palambus cutting is not here. It's like $8 or $5.
Is it up here?
Yeah, it's for ladies this side here.
Oh, that's for later. Where's the guys?
And the guy is not here.
Okay.
Oh, I always do like once a month.
Once a month?
Yep.
Okay.
So it lasts for what? For,
Yeah,
for about 1 month.
Yeah.
Okay. But if you go out in the sun, it'll get dark again, right?
So just use one sun.
Umbrella.
Yeah.
Or a hat. Here's the IGA. And this is max value. What is the name of this one?
That's Chinese cabbage.
Chinese cabbage, and this one?
That's plantain.
Oh, and same?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But this is banana. This is real banana. Oh, okay. And this one?
Papaya.
Huh?
That's popo. Papaya.
Oh, popo. Okay. So Fiji tobacco. How much is it? $1. Only $1? Oh, that's nice.
बोला सब देखिए मिला लगा हम लोग हाँ हम लोग वही रकम लाए लगा
Here, Christmas time.
Yeah.
Watermelon.
Oh, the small watermelons. Oh, okay. Oh, beans. But do you eat beans? No? But you can make... So we're gonna buy some cauliflower now.
For $5.
Oh, that's a good deal. It's better than 15.
Yeah, 15.
Well, it's
This is local.
yeah. 150? It's so big. So you know where to go?
Oh, yes.
Really? But you didn't
That's
even
my
tell them.
favorite taxi.
Wow, so you know where to go even though she didn't tell you where.
Yeah.
It's
That's-
always same way.
See, that's good good service.
Yeah.
All right. What's your name?
Jack.
You're Jack?
Yeah.
Oh, just like Fiji Jacks.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
Check black beard.
Yeah, okay. Well, here's all the school kids.
School is finished now.
Yeah.
Ah, school's out.
Nikki comes in 4 o'clock.
Oh, really?
Want to do the shopping?
This is the 3:35 flight.
Yeah.
But does it come daily?
Daily.
The lentils goes in there too.
Yeah, split piece.
Split peas.
Please, and two, 3 cups of rice.
Okay, but you get the cheapest rice for that, right?
No, not cheapest.
White rice?
Right.
Not Fiji rice.
No, no. They like this one.
Oh, they like this one. So how much rice do you put in? 1 cup?
3.
3 cups of white rice? Okay. So what do you have in there? You have rice, lentils, chicken,
Chicken bones.
bones.
And
You put some tuna.
tuna, yeah.
And what was the last one?
The last one comes veggies like cabbage and
Okay.
carrots.
How long will it take to cook for the dogs?
Nearby 1 hour.
1 hour. And then the food will be ready for them.
Yeah.
Oh, but then you have
we
to-
make like in canteen,
Well, but then you also...
like in army.
But then also you let it cool down, right?
Yes.
Like
Then-
1 hour more?
Yeah, we look when maybe 45 minutes.
45 minutes,
Yeah.
okay. So it's like a canteen.
Yeah, like in army canteen. So it's put some
Cabbage?
yeah, it's over.
This is local cabbage, right?
Yeah. Fresh.
Oh, so you give them the outer leaf and we eat the inside?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's a good idea.
And sometimes I give when salad or something goes bad, so I can give the dogs.
But not this stuff.
No, this is this from morning from.
Oh, okay. Do you think they would eat the fruit that you showed them this morning?
For dogs?
Yeah, that thing.
No, they don't like.
They don't
fruits.
like that?
They like veggies and
Oh,
rice
okay.
and tomato sauce.
Even tomato sauce?
Yeah,
They like this?
yeah. They
Wow.
like tomatoes and
What else did you get them?
pumpkin, tomato sauce.
Oh, do they like pumpkin?
Yeah, everything. With veggies.
Wow.
So this is for dogs with tomato sauce. They like this one.
Mackerel.
Yeah,
Mackerel. But where's this from?
from Fiji.
This is Fijian.
Yeah, Fiji.
Okay.
Fiji. This
This is also Fijian?
one. Yeah.
Okay.
Also, this
Right.
good one for a salad also. Like.
Not really. But only Nikki eats it, right?
Yeah.
Hey, doggy. What's this dog's name?
Susie.
Hey, Susie. So you're waiting for dinner, yeah? That's nice. Making carrots for the dogs.
Yeah.
Okay, what about beets? Do they like beets?
Beans?
No, beetroot.
No.
No?
No, sometimes I can,
Sometimes?
when left over, we have so like
Alright.
our soup and
But for sure they like carrots.
carrots. Sure.
You like carrots, yeah? Say that one more time.
No.
So Fiji water became popular because
Yeah.
this movie called
No,
Two.
they always drink this one, and then we know this. We see they have always this bottle, but they don't show like this, so they like this one. But we know it's a Fiji water.
Oh,
because of this and
they only show the back
yeah,
in this movie. Is it
Yeah,
a TV series or a movie?
TV series. So
Oh, really?
it was 10 seasons there. And
So because of that, you think Fiji water became popular?
yeah.
Oh, really?
So in sometime I see in another series they also many
okay.
with Fiji water.
Oh. So that was it. So this is a pineapple farm. They have 3 pineapples across and many pineapples deep. And 12 pineapples deep. So 3 times 12 is 36 pineapples that are going to grow here. Name of the fruit?
If the ramphel or chirimoya?
Ramphel.
Ramphel in Indian.
Ramphel. Or chirimoya.
Yeah, look here, the plenty. You can see.
Mm,
I see
okay.
first in last week this one. So I didn't know if it.
Oh, really? But they're all brownish in color. What's the name of this tree?
Funny tree. Funny.
But it was here when you bought the property?
Yes, this was. I think it's like a Indian style little bit. Indian.
So it's just like a fuzzy little
Yeah.
flower. It's funny.
So,
That's why you call it funny tree.
people come extra in my place.
So this is chili.
It's a hot chili.
Is it really hot?
Yeah.
Wow, so this is really hot.
The smallest is hottest.
Hey, kitty. So what time do you feed the cat?
Same time.
Oh, really?
Yeah, maybe earlier. They can wait.
But their food goes on the roof.
Yeah.
How are you? There's the dog. So the food for the dogs is finally ready.
The 1 hour cook.
Ah, okay. So that's a lot of food. If you were a meat eater, you could eat that, right? If there was a meat eater, they could eat it.
Yeah.
Yeah. But not for vegans.
No for vegans. No vegan dog.
Okay. How many bowls do you have to have? How many bowls?
I have 5 for dogs and 2 for kids.
So 7 bowls.
7.
And the big one is for the dog?
Yeah, this for Maggie because she eat very fast.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So some eat faster and some eat slower?
Yeah, and then she need more food.
Oh, so this way that
Yeah, the youngest have the biggest pot.
biggest appetite?
Yeah, biggest. Yeah.
So they don't steal from other dogs, yeah?
No,
They
no.
just
They
eat
have
from their own.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Then Steffi, Lucy, and Susie.
Well, which one comes?
This way because when you make another, then comes no good.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So which one gets it first?
Maggie because
Maggie.
she can't wait. She's hungry always.
Oh, really? But before the cats get it first.
Yeah.
On the roof.
On the roof.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hey, that's your uniform?
That's my uniform.
Oh.
School uniform.
Is it for like primary school and secondary school, or you switch uniforms?
Only one uniform for secondary.
Oh, okay. But when you were in primary school, it was different.
Different shorts and shirt.
Oh, okay. What about the shoes? You can wear any shoe?
Sandal.
Sandals. Everyone has to wear sandals, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
No
No
flip-flop.
No flip-flops?
No, this is like a dress code.
No, that's a dress code, okay.
Sandals.
Sandals and uniform.
Yeah.
Okay.